Did you know one of history's greatest mathematicians carried a secret message sewn into his coat for 8 years? Blaise Pascal was 31, already famous for inventing the calculator, a brilliant mind who lived by logic and proof, then one night changed everything. November 23, 1654, 10:30 at night, Pascal experienced what he called a vision of fire. Not the God of books and theories, but the living God of Abraham. For 2 hours he felt what he described as absolute certainty, perfect peace, and pure joy. He was so moved that he wrote it all down and sewed the paper into his coat lining. He wore it every single day until he died. This experience transformed the logical scientist into something more. He created what we now call Pascal's Wager. His insight was simple but profound. We can't prove God exists through reason alone, but we can choose to believe anyway. Sometimes the most rational choice is to leap beyond pure rationality. Faith isn't the opposite of logic. It's a logic that dares to hope.